Does your family feel financially secure? Are you worried about lockdown or lack of any other income? Are you thinking of changing the source of your income from the old platform? Are you having trouble making the right decision? Are you feeling hungry for money very quickly? If your answer is yes, then this is the right place and right time for you. Friends, in the world of cryptocurrency, we have brought a project for you which is based on dollar. And let me tell you that cryptocurrency is popular all over the world as of today. Yes, I welcome you to such a wonderful and tremendous system whose name is Gabriela, and this is the website www.gabriela.cc. Friends, today I will tell you about how you can earn money from here and how you can earn. So please watch this video till the end. So let's start. So friends, first of all talk staking plans. Here you have to open your ID meaning account from any given package. And then you $50, $100, $300, $500, $1,000, $2,500, $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, $1 lakh. Select any one package from these. As soon as you take the package, then you get here staking bonus ROI, which is a lot of increased income. For example, 5% monthly ROI on 1 year holding and 100% principal for 5 months at 20% from 13th month. 7% monthly ROI on 2 years holding and 100% principal for 5 months at 20% from 24th month. 8% monthly ROI on 3 years holding and 100% principal for 5 months at 20% from 37th month. 9% monthly ROI on 4 years holding and 20% from 49th month for 5 months, 100% principal. 10% monthly ROI on holding of 5 years and 100% principal for 5 months at 20% from 61st month. Our next, direct referral. Here you will be given 0.11 on day 90 days, 10% on your referral. Our next, level plan. Here you get tremendous income up to 30 levels, which you will get to see on the screen. And here you get ROI from 20% to 0.5%. Our next, important notice. On making one direct referral, your third level income will be opened. By doing 2 direct referrals, your 6th level income will be opened. By doing 3 direct referrals, your 9 level income will be opened. By doing 4 direct referrals, your 12 level income will be opened. By doing 5 direct referrals, your 15 level income will be opened. By doing 6 direct referrals, your 18 level income will be opened. By doing 7 direct referrals, your 21 level income will be opened. By doing 8 direct referrals, your 24 level income will be open. By doing 9 direct referrals, your 27 level income will be open. By doing 10 direct referrals, your 30 level income will be open. Our next, launching offer. Here you will get Dubai Trip International Tour on $15,000 direct referral. Our next, rewards. If you have a team business of $5,000, you are given an Android 5G phone. If you have a team business of $10,000, you are given an Apple iPad. If you have a team business of $20,000, you are given an Apple laptop. If you have a team business of $30,000, you are given Royal Enfield or $1,500 in cash. If you have a team business of $60,000, you are given a Quid car or $3,000 in cash. If you have a team business of $1 lakh, you are given a Shift car or $10,000 in cash. Our next, conditions. 1 email for 1 ID only. Here IDs capping 5 times means 500% will be includes direct referral income and level income. ROI will not top up, but there will be 1 year minimum staking as per Bitcoin market rate. There will be a minimum withdrawal of $20. Only Saturday plus Sunday members withdrawal, and customer can also do 6 a.m. Saturday to 12 p.m. Sunday. ID is not transferred here. Friends, for more information, the one who has sent you this video, you can contact them and understand it in detail. And tell me how did you like my video by commenting. Thank you.